Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well, today's video is definitely going to be fun, one way or the other. Let's hope and pray that I do not hurt myself in the filming, in the making of this video. But this video is about heelless shoes. That's right, heelless shoes. I got this idea off Amber Meeks, who has a YouTube channel, and the name of her YouTube channel is Ambizzares DIY Other Stuff. And she is very artistic. She does DIY, she does all kinds of things. And she loves these 6-inch shoes that are heelless shoes. So I'm watching her unbox her videos. She does a whole bunch of unboxings of her shoes, right? And she loves showing them off. She has a big shoe collection. So I'm watching her videos and I'm like, why wonder what it feels like to walk around in these shoes? Now, these shoes, you cannot go to Walmart's or go to the mall and just find these shoes. You have to order these. And so she, in her last video, she was getting these shoes for like $4.99. She was finding incredible deals. And the name of the company is called Shiekh. I will put it at the bottom of the screen. And so I was like, you know what, for fun, I am going to order these shoes. I think I paid $8.99. I couldn't find the $4.99 in my size, so I think I had to get the $8.99. But I thought it would be an incredibly fun video to see a 53-year-old woman try to walk in these shoes. So, are you guys ready? Because I don't know if I'm ready. I really do not know if I'm ready. I have not opened this box. This box comes from all the way from California, and I've had it for like 4 days now, and I've been petrified to make this video. I am not lying. I am super really afraid. Amber, if I get hurt, this is your fault. You just, but I had to. I mean, how many of us have actually walked around in heelless shoes? I know I never have. So, are you guys ready for the reveal? And let's see what these shoes look like. Let's see. Oh, let me put my glasses on. Oh, and this is the name of the company. S-H-E-K-H. Shiekh shoes. And here's the invoice. Let me see what I ended up paying for these. Oh, please don't let me hurt myself. Oh, I did only pay $4.99. Why did I think I paid $8.99? I paid $4.99. So we might pay $4.99 to see me fall on my face. But let's hope I don't fall on my face. But are you guys ready to see these shoes? Okay, I don't even remember what I ordered, but let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys, look at these shoes. Oh my goodness, Amber, I know you would love these. I know you probably already own these. And we are just going to go ahead and I am going to put these on right in front of you. There is going to be no practice, no nothing. I can't believe I'm doing this. I really cannot believe I am doing this. But let me show you the shoes up close. I hope you guys are seeing that. Look at that. Amber, I know you love these shoes. I know you do. And you gotta let me know if you see them. I hope you really enjoy watching this video. Let's see what happens to me, okay? So, let me take off my nice little ballet flats that I know how to walk in. And let's see how I do. Now let's put these in the back. All right. Now I hope they fit me because I am, what in the world? What? Oh no, they don't fit me. What size are these? These are a size 8, but they are super small. Oh my goodness. My foot is not going to fit in here. Oh, this is so sad. Oh, let's see. All right, well, yeah, they are definitely not going to work, but okay, we know they don't fit me. We know they don't fit me, but I can buckle them, even though my foot is hanging off the back. But we are going to be able to buckle these, and ooh, my little toe's not going to fit in there, but we are buckling these shoes and we are going to give these a try nonetheless. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, oh my goodness, I can hardly sit with these things. Oh. Well, if anyone orders these, I am an 8 and 8.5, and these are definitely must run small. Oh, hang on guys, it's gonna be worth it. Okay, that's good enough. That's as good as I'm gonna get. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Look! Can you guys see this? Are you guys seeing these shoes? I hope this is picking up. I am scared to get up. I am completely scared to get up right now. All right, I got my mirror here. Hopefully this will help me with my balance. Let's use the shoe. Oh. Hey. Okay, I'm standing. Okay, it's not as hard as I thought it would be. Okay, they are definitely too small for me, so they are causing me some pain right now because they are too small for me. Oh, I better not move too far from the wall. But let's see, I'm going to try to walk. Like I said, I have not practiced this at all. But I have to say, I am walking like a little baby duck, but they are actually not as hard to walk in as I thought they would be. Hey. I mean, I've walked in stilettos way worse than this. Now, if these would fit me, I think I could manage this. Even though, just so you guys know out there, this is not my style. This is Amber's style. This video is only for fun. And I'm actually walking in them. It is surprising how well balanced these are. Hey, I think we should start an Ambizzares DIY challenge. If anyone out there who loves Amber as much as I do and would like to go to this company and see if you can find a pair of shoes for only $5, and just for fun, let's make a video of all of us walking in Amber's shoes. We'll call it Amber Shoes Tag. Let's all walk in Amber shoes. All right, now I'm going to try to walk. Kitty, my cat's over there, you better watch out. Okay, here I am. I'm walking. I don't know if I'm walking that well, but I am walking. You know what? They are kind of sexy. Now, no, I'm about to be a grandma, so these are definitely not my shoes. But Amber, it was fun. I hope you enjoyed my little, what's the word that I should say? My little homage to you. Is that the correct term? Homage? I don't know. But you inspired this because I've watched you unbox your shoes, and I have just been so curious of what these shoes feel like. So yes, if you guys want to try these out, I would definitely say size up. I am an 8, but I would have probably done very well with a 9. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely fun to make. I will not be wearing these. I will be donating these to the Goodwill store. And hopefully somebody else will find them in Goodwill and I will make their day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was really fun for me to make. And I'm so surprised that it's not as hard as I thought it would be. Who knew, right? Who knew? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.